Hi, I'm Stacy and I'm here with Arauco PRISM TFL thermally fused laminate. And today we're going to talk about the differences between TFL, thermally fused laminate, and HPL, high pressure laminate. So at first glance, high pressure laminate, HPL, and thermally fused laminate, TFL, look very similar. But when we look more closely, we'll notice a few unique differences that could end up being a huge cost savings for you in the end. With our high pressure laminates and our thermally fused laminates, we'll see these commonly used in Division 6 millwork or Division 12 casework. Both will work for very similar applications. Two of the similar benefits that we can see from our high pressure laminate and our thermally fused laminate is they're both impact resistant, water resistant, and heat resistant. Both products have a great use. Our high pressure laminate works best on horizontal surfaces like your heavy use countertops, your residential countertops, and your work counters. And TFL works great on all of your box goods, case goods, low impact horizontal surfaces, and cabinet doors. So you can see both have very similar applications. So why would I choose one over the other? Value engineering. It's very important to see that we can have a significant cost savings with our TFL versus our HPL. So when we look at the difference between the two products and how our cost savings or value engineering comes into play, it's in the fabrication process of the lamination. Both are made with the same printed papers. The high pressure laminate illustrated is compacted with several layers of craft paper and then the printed layer with the resin on top. Versus our thermally fused laminate, which is our printed paper thermally fused or permanently bonded to the substrate material. Your substrate, you can choose MDF or particleboard. So I'll talk a little bit about our product line here, and so you can see a good sampling of what we have here with our complete product line. A lot of wood grains, which would be a great substitute when you're trying to value engineer out wood veneer on your projects, and also some unique finishes like the Reclamation Maple series gives you that rustic, reclaimed look that a lot of people are looking for today. We also have some of your basic cabinetry maple lines, which work well for the interior of cabinets. So if you don't want your plain white, this is often a great substitute for the interior of cabinets. In addition to all the great wood grain tones, we also have our traditional commodity colors. So if you're looking for those whites, blacks, and grays, we've got you covered. All right, in addition to great colors and patterns, we also have a unique texture line. You can find suede as a texture, also the more wood grain looking Medina and the authentic tick pattern. These give your wood grains a more authentic appearance. And if you really want a unique texture, our Taction Oak series has what's called an EIR, embossed and registered technology, giving you that look and feel of real wood. In order to achieve this look, the plate that is used to put the embossing on the product matches the paper, so you'll see the true knot holes and real wood grain look in the appearance of the product. And the great thing about the Arauco PRISM line is everything has a matching piece through our symmetry program. The symmetry program has matching edge banding in different thicknesses and widths. It also has matching 2DL and 3DL for moldings, trims, and thermally fused doors. With the thermally fused laminate, another benefit that you can get is you can bond to both sides of your substrate material. So you have your core material and it can have color on both sides. So you would choose from the Arauco PRISM line which colors you want. So if you want a matching interior, you can choose matching grain on both sides, or if you want white interior, you could choose white on the inside. And again, with our matching edge banding, it makes for a complete package. With the symmetry program, not only can you get the matching 2DL, 3DL, and edge banding pieces, but we also have a matching HPL piece. So those designers out there that still want to do curved reception desk or column wraps, this is the solution to that. And one of the reasons you get the biggest cost savings with TFL versus HPL is because The TFL is permanently bonded to that substrate, and so you're not purchasing a laminate, a substrate, and a laminate to bond to the other side. Where with our HPL, you have to order a substrate and the HPL and hope that the two pieces get there at the same time to laminate and fabricate together. You won't have any delamination with your TFL because it is permanently bonded. The resin actually sinks into the paper itself and into the substrate, versus an HPL where you will have some delamination and a pull up on that laminate away from the substrate. Arauco is so invested into the future of TFL. We're investing in a plant in Grayling, Michigan that should open later this year. When it comes online, this plant will be the most modern facility in the world. One of the benefits of specifying Arauco Prism and DSI is that DSI has over 60 colors in stock and available to you. You can contact your local DSI representative at 1-800-745-1778, or you can visit them online at distributorserviceinc.com. Thank you for watching the video. We hope that with DSI and Arauco Prism, you can love your laminates.